County, the class of 45.
And a Corsair. So the idea was born. Jim is the owner of the Corsair, Korean War hero. Scott is the owner of P-51 Quicksilver. And here they are. Both aircraft were the zenith of military technology at 45. Korean War hero, served in the United States Navy during the Korean War on board the USS Boxer and USS Valley Forge during 1951. Making it one of the very few surviving Korean War Corsairs still flying. Korean War hero has over 200 combat missions in the Korean War. Capable of speeds in excess of 470 miles per hour, 400 rounds of ammunition. Korean War hero was retired from the service July the 5th of 1956. We got you.
Good afternoon, Westmoreland County Airshow. On behalf of all of us at the Class 45 here, we dedicate this next pass to all our soldiers, sailors, airmen, and Marines deployed around the globe.
And here they are. From behind, here it comes. The scissor break. Now watch from either side as the closure rate for these two aircraft will top 550 miles per hour. Here they come, ladies and gentlemen. Scooter on the left, torque on the right. Just cracked 90. From the left, here's Jim Tobul. From the right, here comes Scott Yoak, Quicksilver. Class of 45's mission is to preserve and honor the service and women in flying these legendary machines. We remember their service, their contributions, and our obligation to never let their sacrifices be in vain. As the thunder of their engines fade into the distance, remember, freedom is not free, and liberty is everyone's responsibility to preserve. This flight is dedicated to the memory of Joe Tobul, Jim's father, and Bill Yoak, Scott's father, and all the brave men and women who serve in our military. There is just something magical about the sounds of that Packard-built Merlin engine. Jim Tobul, Korean War hero. Keep an eye on this airplane. I'll bet you dollars to donuts you might hold the wings on it. Remember, this is carrier-borne aircraft. Space on a carrier is everything. So the bottom line is that on an aircraft carrier, as the successfully landed, you can hold the wings so that you can put more airplanes in. And this scooter, Scott Yoak, right behind with Quicksilver on the ground. Every veteran has to get up to altitude, pretty fair altitude. Here's Scooter. Everybody, I hope you waved at him. Eric Edgren's going to go out, climb for altitude. When he gets to altitude and we start his act, he's going to do something you might think is incredible. And that is he's going to shut off the engine. Patrick McAlee, you saw him earlier today with Extreme Aerobatic. He's on his way home. See you later, buddy.